Hey everybody, I decided to make a little video. Naomi is going to go camping, and so she wanted to take some overnight oats with her, and we've been making these at home, and somehow she has escaped my tutelage and doesn't know how to make them. So we're going to make some just to show you what's in them. I use the almond milk from Aldi. It's the Friendly Farms. It's the vanilla, no sugar added, so it only has 30 calories. This is a protein powder that we like to get from Aldi as well. It is relatively inexpensive. It's a whey protein, and it has 30 grams of protein per scoop. We're only going to be using a half a scoop of this in each bowl. Also from Aldi, we've got some chia seeds and then some old-fashioned oats. And so we're going to just combine these, and I will leave in the comments, I will tell you the exact measurements of what we do. And yeah, today we're using plastic because she's going to be like backpacking, and so we didn't want to send her with some really heavy glass to be carrying and adding to her load. So and she's cutting up some strawberries. You can use any kind of fruit that you like. I also like to put walnuts on mine as well. So
and blueberries over there.
Oh, and blueberries. So yeah, so all these things we got at Aldi. It doesn't have to be expensive to eat healthy, and so I will be posting more throughout the summer of things that you can get from Aldi to eat and incorporate into your diet. And so yeah, let's get going. So I usually start with my oats, and so these are like a 2-cup container. We kind of got them a little bit bigger because we like to put like berries and stuff on the top. So I do just a 1/4 cup of oats in each bowl. Yeah. So yeah, normally a glass is best as far as, you know, not being exposed to, you know, estrogens, that sort of thing. There are a lot of toxins in plastic. Obviously, you don't ever want to heat up plastic in the microwave or anything like that. But so yeah, so a 1/4 cup of oats in each, and then I do just a half of these scoops. So the scoop, I believe, is I want to say it's like a half a cup or maybe a cup. I'm not sure, but anyway, so I just use my 1/4 cup again, and just do a 1/4 cup in each bowl. I'm not sure if it actually has a measurement on it, but yeah, this is a whey protein. Like I said, it's got 30 grams of protein per scoop, so this is about 15 grams of protein. And Naomi was commenting to me the other day that like when she eats these, it keeps her satisfied, it keeps her feeling full for a long time, and so it's a great thing to take like if she's gonna be camping. Oh, I gotta open this one.
And they're sweet. I'm someone who really likes sweet things, and they're definitely sweet enough for me, and it's a nice thing to have in the morning to just grab and go.
Or evening. I like to have something sweet in the evening. So, and then the chia seeds, I use like kind of a heaping tablespoon per bowl. And these chia seeds, so they're tiny. They're not plumped out yet, but once you add the liquid and let it set for at least 4 hours, they do plump up, and it makes like almost like, I guess the best way to explain it is kind of like a tapioca, where it kind of has that little bit of a bite to it. And so then it comes our almond milk, and I sometimes I will, if I'm low on almond milk, you can use some water. Again, this is a 1/4 cup. We're gonna stir that one up and see. You might actually, you can have yogurt as well if you'd rather have like a yogurt. But yeah, so it's actually a half a cup of liquid to yeah, and you just mix it together, and you cover them and let them set, like I said, for about 4 hours. Super easy to just put together, and it's just a really good snack. The protein powder does not have any added sugar. It does, I believe, have some sugar alcohols in it, which, you know, it's kind of the trade up. So yeah, this one I'm running a little low on my almond milk, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, I guess we got some more.
Yeah.
You know, is it open?
I don't know. Let's see.
So when you mix it up, it's kind of soupy, kind kind of lumpy, but that's okay. It will, you know, when you're ready to eat it, like I said, it's a little bit congealed, and you just stir it up.
And that's the same milk, just different container.
Yeah. We actually got this one, I think, at Meijer, because I don't think Aldi has the big containers of it. But yeah, so we just mix it up. You can put your fruit on now, or you can wait. Right?
You might like bring it up there.
Yeah, you can show them.
You're gonna have to tell me when it's in frame.
Leo's gonna try to show you.
You
There
see
you go.
it. Ooh, over a little bit more.
So yeah, it's pretty lumpy, but don't worry, it kind of comes together as it sets.
And it's like liquidy right now, but as it sets up, it kind of hardens.
Not really hard, but
Well, not harden,
just
but
kinda
it
becomes
comes
like a pudding.
together. Yeah.
hence the name, like chia pudding or overnight oats. So yeah, so this is kind of what we do. The protein powder that I use is just the vanilla. They do have chocolate. I haven't tried the chocolate in this. It might be good if you want something chocolatey, but we just use the vanilla. We mix it up.
With peanut butter would probably be
Yeah,
good
you
too.
put some almond butter in here. But yeah, we just add our berries to the top, and like I said, you can add the berries ahead of time, or you know, if you pull it out, if you're going to be not camping like most of the time, you can just pick your blueberries or strawberries out, right, and top them right before you eat it. But I think she's going to want to pack all these up with her, so I'll probably put the fruit in at this time. So
And you let them sit in the fridge.
yeah, they have to be in a cold place. So there you have it. There's our chia pudding / overnight oats recipe. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.